Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on Gmail Vacation Responder for when you are away on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, if you swipe up to go into the app screen, tap on the Google folder, then tap on Gmail. In Gmail, tap on the menu key at the top. From the pop-up menu, go down and tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on the Gmail account that you are using. Next, you want to go down and tap on Vacation Responder. In here, tap on the switch at the top on the Vacation Responder to turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can set the day or the last day to the first day when you want to turn this one on. And when you want to turn it off on the last day, you can choose a custom date or none. So if you don't set it, then later you have to turn it off manually. And in the subject, you can write an automatic subject. So you can see here, I've got the message. I'm out of office right now. To you when I'm back. So something like that, for example. And you can choose whether to turn on or turn off, send only to my contacts. Once you are happy with the settings, tap on done. And that's it. So once your vacation responder is turned on, then anyone send you a message, then they automatically get an auto respond from your email account. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.